Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm thrilled to share with you how I managed to get unlimited gems in Whiteout Survival. This method is absolutely amazing, and I'm excited to show you how it works. First, let's dive right into the game so you can see for yourself. As you can see, I've got an insane amount of gems. Now, let me tell you a bit more about this method. It's been recently updated to ensure it works on both iOS and Android devices. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or any Android device, you'll be able to use this method without any issues. What makes this method even better is how easy it is to use. All you need to do is watch this video and carefully follow every step I show you. I've made sure to break down the process into simple, easy-to-understand instructions so that anyone can follow along and succeed. So, if you're ready, let's proceed with the tutorial. Make sure to follow along closely and don't miss any steps. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Whiteout Survival and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.